Learn English with your Instill.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to your channel, your Instill. In today's video, we're going to talk about creating a daily routine that can help you stay productive, organized, and motivated. Whether you're looking to improve your English skills, manage your time better, or simply get inspired, having a daily routine can make all the difference. We will share 2 different ways to share your daily routine. So, let's get started and explore how you can build a routine that works best for you. My daily routine starts early in the morning. I wake up around 6:30 a.m. and begin my day by stretching and taking a few deep breaths to wake up fully. After that, I wash my face and brush my teeth to feel fresh. I then make my bed and get dressed for the day. Breakfast is an important part of my morning, so I usually eat a simple meal like toast with butter and jam, or some eggs with a glass of milk or juice. Once I'm done with breakfast, I get ready for the day by packing my school bag or preparing what I need for work. If I have school or work, I leave the house at around 7:30 a.m., making sure I have everything I need for the day. I either walk or take the bus, depending on the weather and how far I need to go. My classes or work tasks usually start at 8 a.m., so I try to be punctual. I focus on my lessons or complete my tasks at work, and during breaks, I like to chat with my friends or colleagues and have a little snack. Around noon, it's time for lunch. I usually eat rice, chicken or vegetables, and fruit or a yogurt. This is my time to relax and enjoy a break before continuing with the rest of my day. After lunch, I return to work or classes and finish up any important tasks. If I don't have work or school in the afternoon, I might use that time to study, read, or work on a hobby like drawing or writing. Sometimes I also spend time with friends or go for a walk in the park if the weather is nice. By late afternoon, I like to start winding down and get ready for dinner. I help with dinner preparations if I'm at home, and we often eat together as a family. Dinner is usually a mix of vegetables, some protein like fish or meat, and a simple dessert like fruit or pudding. After dinner, I like to spend some time relaxing. I might watch a TV show, read a book, or chat with my family. Sometimes I also use this time to call a friend or do some simple household chores like washing dishes or folding laundry. Before bed, I set my alarm clock, wash up again, and brush my teeth one more time. I like to do a little bit of stretching or deep breathing to help me feel calm. Finally, I go to bed around 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. and try to fall asleep so that I can wake up refreshed for the next day. This routine helps me feel organized, balanced, and ready to face whatever comes my way. Now let's talk about another way to share your daily routine. My daily routine is a carefully balanced mix of productivity, self-care, and moments of relaxation that help keep me energized and motivated throughout the day. I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m., starting my day with a few minutes of stretching to loosen up my muscles and wake up my body. After that, I head straight to the bathroom for my morning hygiene routine, brushing my teeth, washing my face, and a quick shower. Once I'm freshened up, I make myself a strong cup of coffee or green tea, which gives me a nice, warm boost as I plan out my day. I take a few moments to check my schedule, set my priorities, and mentally prepare for what's ahead. Breakfast is essential for fueling my morning, so I make a nutritious meal, usually something like oatmeal with fruit and a sprinkle of chia seeds or eggs and avocado toast. I take my time eating, savoring the food and allowing myself a few quiet minutes to reflect or read a short article. After breakfast, I dive into work, whether that's responding to emails, working on projects, or collaborating with my team. I like to break my work into focused intervals, often using techniques like the Pomodoro method, where I work for 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break. This helps me maintain focus and prevents burnout. Midday, I take a break for lunch, stepping away from my workspace and trying to eat something balanced, like a salad with lean protein or a grain bowl. I try to go for a short walk afterward to stretch my legs, enjoy a bit of fresh air, and get my blood circulating. After lunch, I usually tackle more complex tasks and creative projects, as I find this time to be when my energy and focus peak. If I'm working from home, I make it a point to keep my space organized to maintain productivity. By late afternoon, I start to wind down a bit, wrapping up any remaining tasks and preparing for the next day. Evening is my time for relaxation and winding down. I love cooking dinner. It's both a creative and meditative process for me. I often try out new recipes or prepare something comforting like pasta, stir fry, or grilled chicken with vegetables. After dinner, I spend time with family or friends, either through a phone call or watching a show together. If I'm in the mood, I read a book or listen to a podcast, which helps me unwind and prepare for sleep. Before heading to bed, I do a quick evening skincare routine, set out my clothes for the next day, and spend a few minutes journaling to reflect on what went well and what I'm grateful for. This helps me end the day with a positive mindset. I aim to get to bed by 10:30 p.m. to ensure I'm well rested and ready for another day. Thank you so much for watching this video and investing your valuable time. I hope you enjoyed following along and maybe even got some inspiration for your own day. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments how your routine looks, or if you have any tips to share. See you in the next video, and take care.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.